Hello, come on in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're giving you a tour of our hotel room. So this is a recently built hotel and it just opened a day ago. It's called Voco and it's in the heart of Melbourne. And we're staying here for a night, so we'll give you a tour of the room which we got, one of the last rooms. I was hoping for something else, but this is what we got. But I love the hotel. I mean the feel. We'll stay a night and see how it feels. But I love the feel of the hotel, the colors, how the reception look, how the rooms look. And so enough talking, I'll give you a tour of the room. Abraham is behind the camera. So we'll start from this point. When you walk into the room, we have this like coffee station. There's tea, coffee, we have our glasses, and we also have like the teacup right here, and we have a mini fridge down here. Now on the left side there is the mirror right here, a full mirror for you to look at yourself. We also have the controls of privacy service or just to control the light and everything. We'll go this way, and now on the right here we have storage or wardrobe, and we have like places to hang. We also have dryer, ironing machine, and also a safe. Also on this part we have the aircon control, and like I said before, I love like the colors, but I also love the cladding or wall decor. So now over this way we have the room, which is basically this is the whole room. We have a bed here, which we have not slept on it. I believe it will be comfy. We have the lamp on both sides, so this way and that way, and also sockets, which is important. We also have our side table, and then we have the phone here to make a call, whatever you need to do. And down this way, we have a sitting area where you can watch with the blind open or closed, whichever one you choose. But this view is a view of the city, and if you look way ahead you can see the view of the mountain, which I love so much. The last Airbnb we stayed in a while ago also had these views where you have like view of the mountain behind them. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I love the view of this hotel, or the view it gives you anyway. It's on the floor where I love it. And then this way we have like a sitting area right here, one seat, so I guess one person will be sitting, and you have your bin down there. And this we also have the TV right here, which you can watch from your bed. So the last spot will be the bathroom, and let's go. And to the last part of the hotel room, we have our bathroom right here, which is compact, but it has everything you need. You have your mirror, you have your sink right here, some towels under. We also have our toilet right here, and I wonder what this one. I love the towels. I don't know what to get. I love the big towels here. And then this way we have the shower right here with a nice shower head, and also yeah, it's big enough for 2 people, I believe. Yeah. And then the part I also love is that you can be showering and have like a nice view of the city or the mountains, and that is amazing. I think there are some rooms where you have the bathroom at the corner and you also have the nice view. We booked late, so we didn't get that. So hopefully next time, yeah. The reception at the hotel is beautiful with these nice arches, which is common in the hotel. There's valet parking if you wish to park your car. There's also the library, which is a great reading nook and just sitting down here. The gym is also there if you wish to exercise in the morning or night, whenever you wish to exercise. There's also the restaurant, and the restaurant, that's where we had our breakfast. It was a nice buffet breakfast, which we paid for separately from the room price, but you can have dinner there. We did not have dinner. And then there's the outdoor terrace. Now there's the pool and the outdoor terrace, but I don't think we included the shot here. I think it's just a lap pool, but the view from this terrace is beautiful, especially when the sun is shining. You just have a nice view of the city. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this and you enjoyed the tour of this hotel. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. Until next time, Bye.